Hello, gonna do a quick drink review here for you. It is Magnum Jamaican Tonic Wine, basically Jamaican Buckfast. If you don't know Buckfast, it's a tonic wine in Scotland, which is basically drink for BAMs. So we'll have a look at this. Now, normally I would drink this straight from the bottle, but I'll give you a look at the colour, and yeah, we'll see. Oh my fucking god. Okay, so it looks like cough medicine straight away. Let's have a wee sniff. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Yeah, it's basically fucking cough medicine, so yuck. No, won't be drinking any more of that. What a load of shite. So, yeah, this Magnum Bish. Jamaica, fail.